In this video, we will show you how to use the take-up system on the new Canon Pro-Series printers by showing you two separate methods. The first method is to attach the material prior to printing, and the second method is to attach the material on the fly. Once the printer is loaded with the correct media, on the printer's touchscreen, select Roll Unit 2, then choose Roll Unit Use Setting, then choose On when prompted to change the printer to take-up mode. The printer will then ask if you want to disable the cutter. Select Do Not Cut. Make sure that the switch above the take-up reel is set to the right in order to let the printer know that you want to use the take-up option. For attaching the media to the take-up prior to printing, select Yes when the printer asks, do you want to start preparing to use in take-up mode? This will feed the material out so that you may attach it to the empty cardboard core. After the material is fed out to the take-up position, tape the material to the core. Here, we are using a simple masking tape to do the job. Place one piece of tape in the center of the material. When taping it to the core, make sure that the material is taut all the way across. Taping it evenly will ensure that the material will feed properly onto the take-up unit. If you have an orange light appearing, your take-up is in the pause position. To activate the take-up, press the play button, and the light will change from orange to white, and you're ready to print. For attaching the print on the fly, follow steps 1 through 4 as previously shown. Then, when you get to step 5, select No when prompted, do you want to start preparing to use in take-up mode. Start your printing. As the print reaches the take-up, attach it using masking tape to the middle of the cardboard core. Be sure to press the play button if the material does not automatically begin to wind up onto the take-up. On the take-up reel, there are two separate options to decide which direction to wind your material. Changing the setting to A reverses the take-up so that the graphic will be facing in. Changing the setting to B is the traditional method where the graphic is facing out.